Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Today I've simply got to utilize and take advantage of this sunny day with no rain and no typhoon so far and do some slating for my films. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, this slating is for the SIG, it's all about choice, and I've got silent sticks open. Alright, that's good enough. Turn this off. Switch out to another cartridge. Okay, another cartridge for my second film, experimental horror film, Visions of Horror. I'm going to slate this. Okay, I'm using an old roll of K40 Kodak for this, so we're going to test that out. And part of this was shot on a Canon 310 XL. Okay, now I'm back to my experimental horror film SIG. It's all about choice, slating that with RT200 Fujichrome and using the Fujica Single 8 ZC1000. All right. Okay, and again, those are open sticks to indicate silent filming. So, make sure you slate your work. It makes no difference how good of mind you believe you have and how you think you can remember what's going on. You could be filming more than one movie on one cartridge. The fact of the matter is, when you start making a movie or movies, everything gets confusing. Plus, with sound or special effects or any type of thing, or with experimental sound, anything that you're going to add later, you're going to need that slating to tell you where to edit. It's just essentially going to be needed and required. Everything later you can forget later, and everything can become overwhelming during editing. And it's just totally an essential tool to go ahead and slate your work. You can do it at any time you wish. Alright? So, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!